There it is. There it is. We are all over that one. That's going to do it. Get up there, get up there, get up there, get up there, get up there!
So, if you're not impressed by the video, you don't have to fold the plane, it's fine. Now, if you do like the plane, let's start. Now, you're going to fold the paper in a horizontal line. So you're going to fold it in half. And really try and be accurate, that way your plane will fly way further. Now, once we've done that, unfold. And we're going to fold the top edge here, the left edge here, and we are going to bring it to the bottom edge there. So once again, really try and be accurate, it's super important. And flatten. Now unfold, and we're going to do the opposite fold. So we're going to take the left edge and fold it to the top edge. And flatten. Now unfold, and we're going to fold the bottom edge here, and we're going to fold it along that crease there. But we're just going to leave a small gap. I don't know if you can see it. I'm not folding right on the line, I'm just leaving a small space. Now do the same thing on the top side, so fold that edge along the crease we made here. And you can also align the tip there with that line here. So just bring it there, leave a small gap is really important, as I said. And flatten. Now we're going to fold it down along that point there where both edges intersect. And flatten. Now we want to fold that top layer, we want to fold it down, just like that. And now we're going to do the same thing for the bottom layer right here. Alright, once we have that, you'll notice that both layers tend to stick upwards. So now we're just going to take that layer and fold it to the left to block everything. That way everything will stay into place. And now we're going to fold the entire model in half. Now we're going to do the wings. So fold the entire wing down, and you want to leave no space here. So that way you just see the wing and you don't see that paper underneath. Now turn the paper over, and we're going to do the same thing here. So we want to see just the wing, nothing else. We want to align both wings perfectly. And now I'm just going to give you a quick tip to make the plane fly further. And that's what they did for the record. You're going to kind of lift the back a bit. And same thing here, so don't crease, just kind of roll it around and then just lower the angle a bit. And here we have our 2022 world record paper airplane. I'll see you in the next one. Peace.